So a question we get a lot, doesn't really have to do anything with parts, but what does DK stand for?
DK Custom Products, the legal name for DK Custom Products is Ride Now Custom Products. When Devin and myself, Kevin, started out this business, we loved to ride, and so we called it Ride Now Custom Products. And we did business like that for about a year, and as we got bigger, there was a company in Texas that already has the name Ride Now Custom Products. So we had to change our name, and we thought about it for weeks, maybe a couple months. Couldn't come up with anything good, so we said, okay, DK, Devin Kevin, DK Custom Products, and that's where the name came from.
DK stands for Devin and Kevin, not Donkey Kong.
And another thing that people ask is, you know, I thought DK Custom Products, I thought you make one-off parts, custom parts. And they all started off as one-off parts for our bike, because that's basically what we do, is we develop parts that will make our bike ride better, ride more comfortably, handle better, perform better, and we make that part. If we think other people are interested in it, then we make more. So when we start making for the customers, they're no longer one-off parts. So we like to think that they're custom, but yeah, we like to make a lot of the same part. That way we can do it less expensive, give it to the customer for less, and they get a good part that started out as a custom part for their bike. Devin and myself started this company about 11 or 12 years ago. This is August 2020. I think about 11 and a half years ago we started this company, and we started it because I wanted some custom one-off handlebars for my Sportster. And I couldn't build them, and Devin at the time was engaged to be married to my daughter. That didn't work out, but Devin and my partnership has worked out. I needed some custom handlebars made, and I tried getting some other people to make it. Other people promised to make them. They never came through on it. So I knew that the fiance to my daughter had some welding experience, and so I asked him if he could make these handlebars for me. And I'm going to give you a picture, Dwayne, so you can put the handlebars up on the screen right here. And that's literally how the business started, is I wanted some custom handlebars made, one-off, that idea I come up with that nobody else had at the time.
So, company started about 11 and a half years ago. Devin, from what I understand, was working for the Mississippi Department of Transportation. What were you doing then?
I was in online sales, mostly tools and auto parts.
Okay, so you had a guy that was making parts and a guy that was selling parts come together. DK.
Oh yeah, it worked out well. It worked out well because we already had a channel to sell online through.
So there's a pretty significant age difference between you and Devin. Devin's what, like 34? You're something like 62. And I mean, how does that work?
Well, and we talked about that when we first started the business. Most partnerships and businesses do not last. And we work together surprisingly well. Yeah, we get upset with each other sometimes. We may raise our voice with each other sometimes.
Just when I think you couldn't possibly be any dumber, you go and do something like this and totally redeem yourself.
But we know the three principles that we founded the business on, taking care of the customer, and that's what we always come back to. So no matter what differences we may have, we have the same desire to make quality parts, provide fast, accurate shipping, and provide superior customer service. And so everything we do is focused on that. And we just work through our differences, which surprisingly are not a lot.
We burn it to the ground! That's bullshit! You know what? Get the out of here!
We're very fortunate to be able to get along as well as we do.
Well, there you have it. Humble beginnings, still going strong.
So if you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up.
If you have any questions of your own about DK Custom, let us know in the comments below. Hit that notification bell so you'll be updated when our next video comes out.
And if you haven't subscribed to our channel already, please do it. It's free, it helps us out. And you all ride safe out there.